For the YouTube VD edition here, I'm going to go over the parts that are going in my new dedicated folding computer. So for the hard drive, I'm just going with a Hitachi drive that I just happen to have lying around. For folding, the hard drive's very unimportant. All it needs to do is hold the operating system. Then for the power supply, we went with Corsair AX 850 watt. It's really high efficiency. It's actually 80 plus gold, and it has all the necessary connectors. It has two 8-pins, so that when we go and overclock this, we never have to worry about running into power issues. And that is a Core i7 980X, which is going to be doing folding. Hopefully it'll get a constant stream of big ADV work units. And let me take that out. I do not want to take that out with one hand. If you know what a 980X is, you'll know why I don't want to take that out with one hand. Over here is the heatsink we're going to be using. At some point this is going to go in my water-cooled computer, the 980X, and then my 875K will use this heatsink, but we went with the Prolimatex Super Mega. I'll take that out with one hand. Super Mega, which is basically just an updated Mega Halums, but an updated Mega Halums means it's going to be excellent. I guess we'll go to the graphics. I got a GTS, an evga GTS 450. I was debating with getting a 430 or getting a 470 actually and folding on the GPU. I might fold on the GPU. We'll see how it affects PPD on the processor. If it affects it more than I get points back out of the graphics card, then I won't fold on it. It's not a big deal. That's just the standard clocked version. For RAM, I went with 1600 megahertz, 88821 timings, Gskill PI, and the voltage on these is actually 1.6 to 1.65. So, I mean, we'll see what it runs at. I'm just going to put it at 1.65 and hopefully it'll run no problem. Maybe we can get the latencies even lower. For the fans for the heatsink, I'm going to do push-pull with a scythe. I'm probably pronouncing this wrong. Kazemuru is what they were listed as on Newegg. They're 1700 RPM, 140 millimeter fans. I got two of them for push-pull to use with the Super Mega heatsink. And they're like 90 cubic feet per minute, so they should do an extraordinary job of cooling. And then I believe that leads me to the last item, which is the granddaddy of X58 motherboards, the evga X58 classified. Yes, I'm not using SLI. Yes, is it overkill? Yes. Is that overkill? Yes. But for my purpose, I will be using all the processors, so technically I guess it's not overkill. I just love this motherboard. If you've seen my other video, I have this motherboard with a i7 920 that's at 3.71 gigahertz on stock voltage, so that's pretty good. I'm impressed with this board enough to go with it again. Didn't go with the new classified 3 because I don't need USB 3.0 and SATA revision 3. So I've got a Cooler Master Haf X case coming in tomorrow, and I've got a HP DVD drive just for loading the operating system. So this has been VD Edition. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you later.